Narinig mo na ba or nasabi ang phrase na ito? Bigay ka ng bigay, magtira ka naman sa sarili mo. Kapag exhausted na tayo in our work or in our service, we tend to feel this way. And this is normal. Normal tayo na ma-feel ito. But as Christians, we are challenged not to indulge in this feeling, as Jesus reminds us in our gospel. Without cost, you have received. Without cost, you are to give. The cost, so to speak, has many forms. And for the exhausted and weary, the cost could be the joy in their service, which is replaced by self-pity or other negative feelings. Kaya labanan nawa natin ang feelings na ito with our prayers. Hilingin natin sa Diyos ang isang mapagpakumbabang puso, pusong puspos ng pasasalamat at pusong handang magmahal kahit mawalan at maubusan. Dahil sa pananalig na ang lahat ng mabubuting bagay ay mula sa Diyos at hindi sa atin. Tayo ay daluyan lamang God's instruments to make His love felt by all. G ka ba?